Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide your last scene on Instagram in iPhone. So in the case that you want to go ahead and hide your last scene, or basically the option for the people who text you to see the option to basically find out when you've last seen a specific message, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this and hide this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application, and let's tap on our menus on the lower corner. Next, let's tap on our three lines on the top right corner, and then let's tap on settings and privacy. Now, once you're already here, I would like you guys to go ahead and locate the option to change your activity status. So let's actually tap on messages and story and replies, and let's tap on this option called show activity status. Now, I want you guys to make sure that this option is turned off so that, of course, you can hide your activity status, and this also entails the option to hide your last scene on Instagram. So make sure guys that this is turned off, and that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video as well and subscribe if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.